Hello viewer, welcome to my channel Learn Physics.
Viewers, in today's video, we will prove modulus of each eigenvalue of an unitary matrix is unity. Let A be a unitary matrix and has eigenvalue lambda and corresponding eigenvector x. Since A is a unitary matrix, so product of A with A dagger is equal to identity matrix I. A dagger is transpose conjugate of matrix A and I is an identity matrix. Eigenequation is Ax is equal to lambda x as given in equation 1. Take transpose conjugate of above equation. We have equation 2. Lambda asterisk is the conjugate of lambda. Now multiply equation 1 by equation 2 from left hand side. Rearrange. We have equation 3. We know that matrix A is unitary, so A dagger multiplied by A is equal to I, where I is the identity matrix. So in equation 3, we can replace product of A dagger with A by I, and equation 3 takes form as given in equation 4. Also, product of lambda conjugate with lambda is equal to square of mod lambda. So equation 4 takes form as given in equation 5. Rearrange equation 5. We have equation 6. Now product of x dagger with x cannot be 0 because x is eigenvector. So from equation 6 it is implied that 1 minus square of mod lambda is equal to 0, which further gives square of mod lambda is equal to 1, which gives mod lambda is equal to 1. So modulus of each eigenvalue of unitary matrix is unity.
व्यूअर्स आज के वीडियो में इतना ही। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल लर्न फिजिक्स को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।